Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change font in Microsoft Word document file. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then I show the Word document is I will show that in this video. Now since font, now select from the any text option. Now going to the home menu option. Now click on the font option. Now for click. Then it is font. Then choose from the any font. That's it. Now for click. Then again another text. Now for select. Now going to the font option. Then any choose font. That's it. Then I show that change font in Microsoft Word document file. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.